Hello, friends. Good morning. Happy New Year. I'm coming up with magic short tricks on parabola. I'll be giving you three tricks today, and you will find that these are very short tricks and question हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में. And these questions are meant for IIT JEE and plus one and plus two and NDA, etc. I hope you will like them and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I have come with magic short tricks on parabola. Now, there are three tricks with me. Trick number one. Supposing you want to find the length of latus rectum of parabola. The equation of parabola is given to us: ax square plus by plus cx plus d equal to 0. The length of the latus rectum will be equal to, very simple, coefficient of y over coefficient of x square, its magnitude. If the parabola is of the type py square qy rx plus s, then it is equal to coefficient of x over coefficient of y square, magnitude. Now look here it is x square. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर नीचे लिखना है. Here it is y square. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर नीचे लिखना है. अगर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर नीचे लिखेंगे तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y ऊपर लिखेंगे. अगर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर नीचे लिखेंगे तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x ऊपर लिखेंगे. This is trick number one. Now I have taken up one example. The example is like this. Now look here. You have to find the length of latus rectum of x of the parabola x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Now take everything on the right hand side. This x will become of minus sign. Now as per this, there is a y square. Coefficient of y square नीचे लिखने का है. तो a we will write downwards. Coefficient of x, that is, this x will come here. It is minus 1. Its magnitude will be 1. So 1 over a. 1 over a. Now let us go to next question. We have to find the length of latus rectum of the parabola x square minus 4x minus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. अब देखिए यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर नीचे लिखेंगे. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर नीचे लिखेंगे. Now what you will get? Look here. Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of y, that is minus 8. That we will write in the numerator. So minus 8 over 1, its magnitude is 8. That's all. Question is done. चुटकियों में. Now let us go to trick number 2. Now look here. Trick number 2 is here. If the parabola is of the form ax square plus bx plus cy plus d equal to 0, or it is of the shape py square plus qy plus rx plus s equal to 0. या तो देखिए एक्स स्क्वायर में होगा पैराबोला या फिर वाई स्क्वायर में होगा. सो you have to simply differentiate it. Now, in case of first, if you differentiate the first equation, then you will get the axis of the parabola. Put it equal to 0, differentiate and put it equal to 0. Similarly, in the second case, y square is there, differentiate with respect to y and put the derivative equal to 0. Very simple. एक्सिस निकालनी है तो आपको डिफरेंशिएशन का सहारा लेना पड़ेगा. So you have to find the derivative. Now let us go to the example. Example is the equation of axis of the parabola. This is x square minus 4x minus 3y plus 83 is equal to 0. Now plus 10 equal to 0. Now solution is, write this, take the derivative. Differentiation with respect to x square का derivative 2x, minus 4x का derivative minus 4. Put it equal to 0. Question is done. Take 2 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the option C here. This is the option C. Question is done. सिर्फ आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. अगर x स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x करना है. अगर y स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y करना है. दैट्स ऑल. नाउ लेट अस गो टू ट्रिक नंबर 3. Now trick number 3 says tangents drawn from x1 y1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4x makes angle theta, then tangent theta will be under root s1 over x1 plus a magnitude, where s1 is y1 square minus 4a x1. देखिए आपको एक पॉइंट दिया होगा आउटसाइड द parabola. Then from there you have to draw the tangents. So when there are two tangents and angle between them is theta, you have to find tangent theta. And the answer is under root s1. S1 is basically you just put x1, y1 in the parabola. What you will get, put it here, square root. And over x1 plus a. Now look, let us go to the question part. Now the question is like this. Tangents are drawn from minus 2, minus 1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. If alpha is the angle between them, between the tangents, then tangent alpha will be equal to, now look here, as per the formula, अंडर रूट s1 क्या था, आपने x1 y1 पैराबोला के अंदर पुट कर देना है. यहाँ पे इट इज़ y स्क्वायर माइनस 4x. y की वैल्यू कितनी है, -1, -1 स्क्वायर माइनस 4. x वैल्यू कितनी है, -2. पुट इट हेयर -2. इट बिकम्स 1 + 8 9 over x1 is -2 plus 1 as per the formula x1 plus a. So it becomes 9 square root of 9 by 3, that is 3 over 1 is there. -2 plus 1 minus 1, magnitude is 1, so 3 by 1. Very simple. So these three tricks are there. In the first case, I have told you how to find the length of the latus rectum. It is very simple. अगर आपको एक्स स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर नीचे लिखना है और कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वाई ऊपर लिखना है. Now, in the second case, how to find the equation of x is? Only differentiate, put it equal to 0. How to differentiate? If there is a x square, take the derivative with respect to x, put it equal to 0. If there is a y square appearing like this, py square qy, take the derivative with respect to y and put it equal to 0. And in this case, I have just told you, if there is an angle alpha between or theta between the two tangents drawn to the parabola from x1, y1, simply put x1, y1 in the parabola equation, take the under root, divided by x1 plus a. So, this is how we can apply the three tricks. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I hope you might have understood. Thank you. Good night. If you like it, please do subscribe it.